Hello, and welcome to the Take It From the Top workshop. If you've already signed up for the workshop, there's a couple of things we need from you this year. First of all, we need an audition video. Do not be afraid of the audition video. Performing is fun. We need something from your iPhone. Your mom can film it, your dad, your friend. You can probably film it yourself in a selfie manner. What you're going to do is you're going to find some music. You're going to pick, purchase, prepare, and perform. 4Ps. Pick a song that you like. It can be a Disney song, it can be a pop song. Listen to different styles of music and find something that fits within your voice. Then you're going to purchase this. You can buy this at musicnotes.com, sheetmusic.com. Find a score you like Legally Blonde or Hairspray. Find a character that you feel like you would like to play or that fits into your kind of type. Then you're going to prepare the song. We need you to make a cut. A lot of times you hear in music a 16-bar cut, a 32-bar cut. So I'm going to explain for you briefly what bars are in music. This is a song that one of our star students, Todd Tuchek, sang many moons ago that I've given to a lot of you to sing. It's called Proud of Your Boy from Aladdin. In music, bars are divided up by these little lines. Usually there's different time signatures, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. You're going to count 16 bars for a 16-bar cut, 32 bars for a 32-bar cut. Then you're going to clearly dissect this song for the piano player. So here I've done, this is the start of a 32-bar count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, blah, 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 to 32 bars. That's the cut of music, and that's where the piano player knows to stop. I would suggest you learn the entire song, become familiar with what the character's saying in the song, where it all takes place, try to communicate the story of the song. Musical theater is about telling stories. We're not American Idol camp where you're just coming to sing songs randomly. We're trying to fit you into different characters and stories that are being told and study musical theater. Old school stuff, new school stuff. The point is that you have fun with us, and we want to create a safe environment where you can express yourself and truly reach your highest potential. Now we need a video of you performing the piece that you've selected and prepared for us. What you're going to do is what's called slating. You're going to state your name, how old you are for us to know, and then you're going to say what song you're singing, and then simply start your song. For our purposes, for Take It From the Top, we're going to want you to sing a 32-bar cut of a song, which is what I described. And try if you can, when you audition for a show, you have a small amount of time to show the casting people who you are, what you can do. Try to think about the character behind this song, if they have a message that they're saying, what they want in the song, and try to convey that, get into character before you sing the song.